Marketing is supposed to be fun. Right here on the Do-Over Movement, I want to help you avoid mistakes, learn from mistakes, and grow a profitable real estate business using marketing as the pillar. And marketing that's fun to help you drive business and show off your creative passion. Joe Exotic or Carol Baskin, Ethan Hunt, Tom Cruise, Vin Diesel, Dominic Toretto, Chris Pratt, and Santa Claus. I've impersonated them all on billboards through the years with a purpose of making my customers laugh and allowing me to be memorable. So whether you are gonna run a billboard campaign or not, you can learn from what I've done in my marketing billboards and apply it to your business. And if you are thinking about running a billboard campaign and you want to download all of mine, just click the link below. So what are 3 things that I think you need to focus on when you're doing marketing? The very first one is it needs to be visual. If you're going to do a billboard or some sort of print, you want yours to stand out. Whether that's you being front and center so that you are the brand and people notice you, your logo, bright colors, things that get noticed by the consumer repeatedly. You want your marketing to be visual. If it's too statistical or too many words, people can't translate it. The web, there's too much information on the billboard. It needs to be very visible. The second thing that you need with your marketing is you need it to be consistent. Now, while I've told you that I've used all these different personalities where I've dressed up and looked like Joe Exotic or Chris Pratt or Tom Cruise, the billboards themselves with my domain name, my brand logo, the colors, all seem very consistent. Now, because I have advertised for so long, a consumer can very quickly look at that and know it's a Duncan Duo billboard because I'm not changing up font and copies and different things. I'm making it seem very consistent. The third thing your marketing needs to have is it needs to be fun. You need to channel your passion because marketing is supposed to be fun. Things that you're already passionate about that you enjoy, you want to incorporate them into your marketing. Obviously, I've brought in cars and car movies. I'm a big car person. I brought in sports. I love the Tampa Bay Lightning. I'm a big sports person. I brought in things I'm passionate about and that I enjoy and follow. Try and find a way, even if you're not doing billboards, to incorporate that into your marketing. Whether you're an animal lover, you're really committed at your church, you volunteer at a certain place, maybe you love watches or whatever it is that you're passionate about or a hobby that you enjoy or a sport that you enjoy, try and incorporate that into your marketing, whether that's your social media, your reels, the videos, the things you produce, because it will make it not feel like marketing. It'll make it fun. So I'm here to make marketing fun again. So continue to follow me right here at the Do-Over Movement. We're going to help you learn from our mistakes. We're going to help you prevent making mistakes, and we're going to help you grow a profitable real estate business.